Hello, my friends. It is a marvelous Monday. It has been a very chilly fall weekend, and I hope you had a good weekend. Maybe you got out and carved pumpkins or went and played in the leaves. But I'm so happy to see you back here today. Will be working on lesson 7 of our EL learning this week, and we're going to be listening to a new book, and it's called The Little Red Pen. We're going to be reading the beginning part of it today and answering questions on a sheet that'll be posted in the Google Classroom. But first, I just wanted you to view our latest mission letter that we're going to have and go over some of our learning targets this week. We have a new mission envelope. Let's see what they sent us today. Mission letter number 4. One more challenge. Wow, headquarters is happy with all your progress on the mission. You've done a great job learning about all the habits of character. Your ideas about tools and your ideas about the habits of character will both be needed to create your magnificent thing for our classroom. Don't be angry. You have just one more challenge to complete. The people at headquarters know you are getting tired from all your work with the most magnificent thing, but they are excited that you may not be able to find. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not an excited face. They are worried that you may not be able to find habits of character in other places. Your last challenge is to take everything you learned about the habits of character and use it while you look and listen to our new book. Headquarter hopes you paid attention during the most magnificent thing because now you need to show how much you learned by finding evidence in our new book. Headquarters is sad when they don't hear from you, so let's get started. Our learning targets for this week, friend, are I can identify a character's feelings using evidence, and we'll talk more about what evidence they mean, from the illustrations, which are the pictures, and the text, which are the words in a book. I can describe a character or important events in a story, and that's what we're going to work on this week. Question words review. Now, this is something that we're going to do during our small group, but let's just talk about what questions we're going to review, and we're going to do this activity during small group. The questions are what? Go. How, and you'll see when we come why some of these don't sound like question words. Why, try, when, where, from, and which. Like I said, during small group, we'll explain what we'll be doing with those. So I'm going to keep going through my lesson, but then you're going to get off this watching this video and you're going to come to my other video where we're going to read the first few pages of our new book, The Little Red Pen. This is all the different feelings we're going to talk about in The Little Red Pen and things that we're going to work on when we meet in small group about identifying the feeling words in our new book, The Little Red Pen. So we're just going to click through these really quick. We're going to go down here to this very last slide. This talks about what you're going to write about today. Now remember, the writing paper is not in our workbook. It will be a paper that will be posted in the Google Classroom. And you can either print it out or you can just have somebody write out the question. Make sure that when you're writing your answer, you use a complete sentence. So make sure your sentence starts with a capital. Make sure you're using finger spaces between each word and make sure that your sentence is ending with a period, or it could end with an exclamation mark. And then draw a picture on the paper to go with your words to illustrate what you were talking about. So the question you're going to answer is actually this first one. What is the problem in the story? And actually, what is the problem that you're going to hear so far? You can think about the next question because it might help you answer the first one, but the only one you're going to write about is the first one. Are they solving the problem? What problems in the story, and are they solving it? So I'm going to stop right there, and I'm going to show you what we're going to write on, and it looks just like this. It says the little red pen response sheet. After you hear me read about the book aloud, and we're going to watch a different video for that, you're going to write a sentence to answer the question, what is the problem in the story so far? And then you're going to draw a picture right here in this box, in this box showing your answer. In other words, illustrate what you write down below. All right, my friends, I will see you shortly in just about 2 minutes to read you the first part of the story so that you can answer this response sheet. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you enjoy the story because it's really fabulous. All right. Bye, friends.